80% of dogs develop periodontal problems as early as the age of 3, caused by tartar developing around the teeth and in gum pockets. Accumulated tartar leads to gum inflammation, and inflammation weakens the immune system. Over time, additional infections may cause serious health issues and organs to fail. But did you ever try cleaning your dog's teeth? Sonic electric toothbrushes frighten a dog. Hand brushes are ineffective, and other tools are mostly useless. But nevertheless, it is very important to clean your dog's teeth. Introducing Mira-Pet, the vibration-free and silent toothbrush designed especially for dogs. When we developed our Mira-Pet ultrasound toothbrush, we completely rethought tooth cleaning for dogs. A microchip adjacent to the brush head creates the magic. Ultrasound achieves deep cleaning, is gentle and antibacterial. Gentle air oscillations clean hard-to-reach places and remove the bacteria responsible for tartar. They clean where no other toothbrush can reach. Airwaves deeply penetrate the gum pockets to destroy the bacteria inside and accelerate the healing process by reducing inflammation. It's easy to use like a normal toothbrush, and it works best with our special toothpaste. Mira-Pet is highly effective. With a 3-sided brush head, Mira-Pet cleans all sides of the teeth in one pass. Your dog stays calm and relaxed when cleaning. You need less than 1 minute, and there's no sensation for the dog. Mira-Pet, the vibration-free and silent toothbrush designed especially for dogs.